Using this site for viewing one ad, you will receive $0.5. For viewing 10 such ads, you will earn $5. And in a day, you can earn very good money. So as you can see, this is my account, and now I have $74 on my balance. I earned it pretty quickly just by watching ads on this site. And there are also many ways to withdraw money here. So how you can start earning in the same way? I will tell you what kind of site this is a little later. But before that, listen to me very careful. You need to click on the register button. After that, you need to write your name, email address, and of course here you need to write your password. Then just click sign up. Then after registration, you can immediately start earning money. We need just click to complete the task, and after that we need to wait some time. After that we need to wait 30 seconds. As you can see, some kind of exchange is advertised here. Actually, you don't need to watch this ad, you can play your mobile phone, or actually I like to watch movies. So after 30 seconds you need to click skip, and then as you can see I have $0.5 more on my balance. So after that we choose another ad and repeat the process several times. Okay, as you can see I again click skip, and I already have $75 on my balance. As a result, after you have earned for example $100, click on the withdrawal button and you can withdraw your money to PayPal, Payeer or Western Union. And there is even a Google Play gift card here. The only thing is that the minimum withdrawal amount is $70, but you can earn them pretty quickly just watching ads. So subscribe to the channel as not to miss new cool projects.